Dear students, let us start today's lecture, and we are talking about previous year questions of quadratic equations. Now this is the question asked in JEE 2016. What is the question? Sum of the all real values of x satisfying this quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 5 raised to the power of x square plus 4x minus 60 is 1 is dash. So you have to find if this quadratic equation power this is 1, then what will be the roots of this quadratic equation which satisfies this condition, and what is the sum of these? This is the question. Means what value of x of these two will satisfy to give the answer 1, and what will be the sum of that all values? That is the question. Let us discuss this. Now you know that anything to the power of 0 is 1. It means the case 1 can I take as the power, that is x square plus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. Because if I take anything power 0, that will be 1, I know, right? So I can take x square plus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. So you can see that you can find the factors of this one. X square minus 10x plus 10x minus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. Let us take x common, x plus 10, and minus 4 common, x plus 10 is equal to 0. From this we are going to get x minus 4 into x plus 10 is equal to 0. So I will get what x minus 4 is equal to 0 and x plus 10 is equal to 0. It means x value will be 4 and x value minus 10. If I am taking case 1, I am getting x value 4 and 10. Now let us go for the case number 2. What is the case number 2 says here? I have to take, what I have to think this one, for what value of the power will give you 1. So you think that if the base is 1 power anything is how much? 1, right? So base I can take 1. So x square minus 5x plus 5, I can take this is as 1, right? So I can get what here, x square minus 5x plus 5 minus 1 is equal to 0, that is I can take 4, correct? And I can do the factors of this. X square minus 4 ones are 4, so I can write as minus 4x minus x plus 4 is equal to 0. If I take x common, x minus 4 minus 1 common, x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 into x minus 4 is equal to 0 are the roots of this. So what are the answers for this one? X is equal to 1 comma 4. Here is x is equal to what here? 4 comma minus 10. Okay, case 1 is I know that anything to the power of, anything power 0 is 1, and case 2 I know if the base is 1 I'll get. You can get one more case, that is case number 3, that is what I can see here is the base can be minus 1. If base is minus 1, power is even, then that will be work. So what I can take here, x square minus 5x plus 5 is equal to minus 1. I consider this value is minus 1 as the case number 3. So if you simplify this, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. The factors of this will be what? So the factors of this will be 2 and 3, right? X square minus 6x, 2 and 3, so minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. If I take common x minus 3 minus 2 common, x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 comma 3. But is this both are the solutions or not? We have to check. What I have to check here, for what value of x this is even, this power is even, I have to check. Means x square plus 4x minus 60 will be even for 2 or 3. Let us substitute 2 here. 2 square plus 4 into 2 minus 60. 2 square value 4, and you know that 4 to the 8, 8 minus 60. You can see you are getting a even numbers here. 12 minus 60. 12 minus 60. I am getting even number power. So anything power even number. See here minus 1 power. Minus 1 power. See this value is how much? Minus. This value will be how much? 60 means 48. Minus 48. Minus 48. So anything minus 48. This value will be 1 upon minus 1 power 48 as per exponential forms of 1 by 1. So I am getting 1 here. So if I am taking x is equal to 2 I am getting this value is 1, right? This value is 1, means it is not an even number. So 2 is rejected now. 2 is rejected now. Because for this one I am not getting the even number, correct? Now what I am going to do here, I am getting 1, right? I am getting one answer, sorry. So if I am taking x is equal to 2, I am getting even power, even power I am getting. Even power this value I am getting the one answer. So 2 is the right answer. 2 is the right answer, sorry. Here 2 is the right answer because even power I got. Even power means that is okay because even power this value will be positive, that's I have shown here. So 2 is correct. Let us go for 3. Is this 3 also correct? Check it 3 here. 3 square value is 9 plus 3 4s are 12 minus 60. And this value will give you 21 minus 60. This is here 21 minus 60. It's an odd number I get. Power of odd minus will not give you positive result. So 3 is wrong. So 2 is the right answer. So finally how many values I got? 4 minus 10. I got here 4 plus minus 10. And here I got 1 plus 4 and here I got 2. The whole addition is the required answer because here I got 4 minus 10, here 1, 4 and here is 2. So 4 plus 4, 8, 10, 11. So 11 minus 10, that is 1. So sum of all real values of x is 1. This is your answer. Hello dear students, let us see one more question. Sum of all real values of x satisfying 2 raised to the power of x minus 1 into x square plus 5x minus 50 is equal to 1 is dash. Okay, this is the question is asked in JEE 2017. Okay, let's see how to solve this question. So here 2 raised power. The previous question you had a quadratic power quadratic, but now here a number power quadratic into linear. Okay, that value is 1. So how to find the value? Sum of real values of x is asking. So what we do here, there is only one case is possible. The case is that 2 power 0 is 1. There is only one case possible. 2 power 0 is 1. It means that x minus 1 into x square plus 5x minus 50 should be 0. That is only one possibility we have. It means this power, anything power 0 is 1, so then only it is possible. So if these products is 0, it means I can write as one case is x minus 1 is equal to 0. I can write as one case is x minus 1 is equal to 0. Another time is we can write as x square plus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. From here x value is 1. From here no need to find the roots. In the previous question also sum of the roots he asked. So trying to finding the roots it takes time. So directly use the sum of the roots formula. What is the sum of the roots formula? Minus b by a. That is minus b by a means minus 5 by 1. That is minus 5. So he is asking the sum of real values. So this 1 minus 5 that is equal to minus 4 is the answer. This is a way to solve this problem. Hope you understand. Let us go for the next question. Here the question is e power sin x minus e power minus sin x minus 4 is equal to 0 has infinite real solution, no real solution, exactly one real solution, exactly 4 real solution. This is the question asked in JEE 2012. JEE 2012. This question asked in JEE 2012. We are discussing about previous year questions of quadratic equation. Okay, let us see this question is asked in JEE 2012. So how to solve here? This question how to solve? Let us consider e power sin x is equal to something t. Let us consider e power sin x is something t. If I take this is t, so what I am going to get here? E power minus sin x will be, that will be 1 upon e power sin x. That means 1 upon t this is. E power minus sin x will be 1 upon e power sin x, that is 1 upon t. If I take considered e power sin x is t, e power minus sin x will be 1 by t. Substitute in this. So what I get here? T minus 1 upon t is equal to 4. I am sending this minus 4 that side, that is plus 4. Let us solve this one. T is the LCM. So t square minus 1 is equal to 4. So t square minus 1 is equal to 4t. it means what I am getting here, t square minus 4t minus 1 is equal to 0. This is what I got, the quadratic equation. What I said here, if this is t minus 1 upon t is minus 4, send that side plus 4, and I did LCM here. So I got t square minus 4t minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. If I want to find the roots, formula t is equal to minus b plus r minus b here, that is minus b means plus 4, minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4a is 1, c is minus 1 upon 2 into a. So I applied quadratic equation formula. Reason is here we cannot split them, right? So t value I am going to get 4 plus r minus square root of 16 plus 4, that is 20 by 2. So I got t value will be 4 plus r minus square root of 20 by 2. So what I am going to get t value? Here t I am going to get is, t is equal to, I am going to get 4 plus r minus, see here root 20 can be written as 2 tens are 2 5s are, that is 2 root 5 I can write. So that I can write as 2 root 5 divided by 2. So here from that above 2 if I take common, so 2 plus r minus root 5 by 2. So 2 cancel. So t value I am getting 2 plus root 5, r t value I am getting 2 minus root 5. This is what I got, t value. But actually what is t here? E power sin x. So you know that sin x is sin x range of sin x. See here the sin x graph will be like this. So you will understand when I explain quadratic equation. So sin x graph will be like this, and it will be between of 1 and minus 1. Sin x maximum value, minimum value. So sin x will be lie between 1 and minus 1. So e power sin x will be how? If I apply exponential on both sides, so e power 1 and this is e power minus 1. That is e power minus 1 will be 1 by e. This is e I applied power. So e power sin x is equal to this. What is e value? E value is 2.4. E value is 2.7. 1 by e value is 0.37. E is a value which is like pi, how the value 3.14. Restricted value e is equal to 2.7, that is a irrational number, but 2.7 we restricted. So e value is this value is this. So what was the question here? The question is the equation has how many real roots? So e power sin x, I just see that I am getting e power, t is nothing but e power sin x, t is nothing but e power. So I got this is t is I got in between of e and 1 by e. T I got e and 1 by e. Actually what is t here? 2 plus root 5. 2 plus root 5 value is how much? Root 5 value will be 2 point something. 2.3 or something. That is 4.3. And here t value will be how much? 2 minus 2.3 something. That is how much here? Minus 0.7. I am going to get minus 0. Just look at here, 1 by e and e, in this range there is no t value lying between in this range. So actually here is the range is 2.7 to 1.7, but I did not get t value any one of this. So I did not get t value either this in this interval, because e value is 0.27. He is saying that e power sin x, the solution of this is lying between 2.7 to 0.3, but the t value which I got, that is not in between of this. So there is no real solution. Option B is the right answer. There is no real solution to satisfy this equation. Okay, let us go for the next question. Hello dear students, let us see, this is the question asked JEE question. This is also okay, JEE which year, like 2000 some year. So let us see, this is a very important question asked twice. This is asked JEE twice. In a triangle PQR, angle R is equal to pi by 2. If tan pi by 2 and tan p by 2 and tan q by 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then which of the following is right? That is the question. What is saying here, this is the quadratic equation. For this, these are the two roots. Okay, so here it is a right angle triangle given. One is the PQR, and is saying that R is the right angle pi by 2. and you may have P and P here, Q here you have. So you know that it is a right angle triangle. Angle P plus angle Q will be how much? 90 degrees. Then half of this, if I divide angle P plus angle Q divide by 2, that is 90 by 2, that is equal to 45. It means angle P by 2 plus angle Q by 2 is equal to 45. Why I took this one? You just see here, P by 2, Q by 2 is spoke. So that's the reason I have separated this. Angle P by 2, angle Q by 2 is 45. Now you know the tan A plus B formula. Tan A plus B formula is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. This is the trigonometry formula you are going to learn very soon. So tan A plus B formula is what? Tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. So tan A plus B means this angle I am taking. What is here? If I take tan of angle P plus angle Q divided by 2 is equal to tan A, that is tan P by 2 plus tan B tan Q by 2 divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B, that is tan P by 2 into tan Q by 2 is that. So this value is 45 degrees, tan 45 degrees is 1. So this value I got 1. Tan P by 2 plus tan Q by 2, that is the sum of the roots of this. So because these are the root, tan P by 2, tan Q by 2 are the roots of this quadratic equation. The sum of the roots is minus B by A. Minus B by A. 1 minus tan P by 2 into tan Q by 2 are the product of the roots. That is C by A. And simplify this. 1 is equal to minus B by A upon, if I take the LCM, A minus C divided by A. This A and A cancel because A not equal to 0 set, so we can cancel out. So what I am going to get here, A minus C is equal to minus B after doing cross multiplication. A minus C is equal to minus B. So what I am going to get here is, if I send, which option is correct? Let us see here. A minus B is equal to minus B by A. Okay. Now what I am going to get is A plus A is C is equal to, yeah, do one thing, C send this side, B send this side. So what I get here, A plus B, this minus sending this side plus and C this side. So A plus B is equal to C. Option A is the right answer. A plus B is equal to C. So B I had sent here, C send that side. A plus B is equal to C. This is the answer.